I'm Hannah from Insta360 and I'm here to give you a rundown about our newest camera, the Insta360 Go. And here it is. It's the world's smallest stabilized camera. It makes capture simple and it definitely doesn't get in the way. With the magnet pendant, you can wear the Go, like I am here, simply by putting it under your shirt. And for shooting, it's simple. Go's button is on the back, but a simple tap to the front is okay. Most of the time when you're using Go, you're going to use a single tap to capture a quick clip. So when the Go is off, with a single press, it will begin to shoot a 15 to 30 second video. When that 30 seconds is over, the Go will turn off automatically, ready for your next clip. Here's some examples. You're going to get around 200 of these shots in one charger case per day. To put Go on standby mode, long press and you'll see the light come on. Then tap once to snap a photo. Go stabilization makes hyperlapses super easy to shoot. Once Go is on, just double tap for hyperlapse. Tap 3 times for slow-mo shot and get shots like this. And it's as easy as that. Just tap and go.